Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we are going to be doing another makeup unboxing. Now, I kind of think this, I'm not really sure what this is. This could be my Ipsy bag, or it could be my mystery bag, summer mystery bag. I'm not really for sure. We will find out. And it is my regular bag. From now on, I am going to really look inside of these. I about threw the tweezers away. I did throw something else away once. So, I'm going to try to make sure to remember that. So, here is the bag. So, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription, makeup subscription. You get like hair, nails, skin, makeup tools, anything like that. And this bag is $12 a month. You get 5 deluxe size samples sometimes. You do get like a full-size product. I notice about every bag I do get at least one full-size product. Then they have, which is the Ipsy Plus, $25 for 5 full-size products. And I have a drawstring bag with that one. Then now I think it's going to be like every 3 months, I think. They have the Ipsy Glam Bag X, which it'll be like a theme, like some of a theme to it, like a person in their favorite makeup, and it's $50, 8 products. But this is a really cute bag this month. It does match the drawstring bag. Here is the little zipper. It's really just a cute bag. It's red on the inside with the logo, like a reddish orange. On camera it looks really orange. In their theme, they always have a theme. Do you, and that's what we all should do. We all should really do ourselves, be ourselves. I like this. Don't change for nobody, unless you have bad habits, maybe change them, but be who you are. Don't let nobody change who you really are from the inside. It's like something with makeup. A lot of times, a lot of girls get with a man and he prefers that she does not wear makeup. And if you really love makeup, I think a man should love you if you wear makeup or not. That's my opinion. I just don't think you should let a man or a woman change who you are. So always do you. Okay, first product is Real Her Positive Vibes. This is their moisturizing lipstick. It does weigh 2 grams, which is 0.07 flow ounce. And little logo right here. And we got the shade Positive Vibes. It is such a pretty lipstick. It is tiny. And it does have the Real Her logo inside the lipstick too. So, really cute lipstick. Let me bring it down, and we will swatch it. Beautiful color. Love that. That is something I will actually wear day to day. Okay, I've been wanting to try this. I've heard all about it. I just haven't picked it up yet. This is by Benefit, the Pore Professional Super Setter. Long-lasting makeup setting spray. It's supposed to, I think, help blur and everything. Super set makeup in seconds. It's a multitasking microfine mist. Leaves skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. And that's what we're all looking for. It's like I've had my makeup on probably too long today. I refreshed it. Sprayed it, refreshed it, but I think it's about time to go. Like in the summertime, I don't think makeup in this heat lasts this very long. So here it is. We are getting 15 milliliters, which is 0.5 US flow ounces. Now, I really like their primer. So here is the mist. I don't know if you guys can even see that. It doesn't really like have a smell or anything to it. Cannot wait to try it. Okay, next, looks like a little eyeshadow maybe. Yes, Les Lower East Side eyeshadow. Punk Rock Palette. Cruelty-free, good for 12 months. And here it is. It is cute. Ooh, I love these colors. They all do look like they're shimmer, but these shimmers I could work with another palette. And we will swatch these really fast. So here is all 4 of them. Top, next one, bottom, first, and the last one. So I do like them colors. It's something I can work with. And it's just really a cute little palette. Our next item is Calming Green Turnover Toner. Le Palette Beauty. It's calming green. Okay, it's refreshing, smoothing toner for skin turnover. It does have green tea in it, 87%, and it's AHA, BHA, PHA. Skin irritation test completed. 30 milliliters, 1 flow ounce. So it is just a toner. I'm like, gotta take my nails off. I've had them on for a few weeks, and I don't know, I done this hand really good. This is my dominant hand, and I rushed it. I lost, I think, this one to start with, which was alright. I was going to put it back on. Then I got stubbed my thing, got really bad, and lost this one, and this one got slammed into a door. So I'm going to have to take some time, sit down, get them off, redo them. Oh, try to get this open. I wish they'd make things easier to open. Okay, got it. So I'm just going to pour a little bit on the back of my hand, maybe a lot. It does have a smell to it. Nothing bad. I don't know what that is. I think it's the green tea. It had one smell, then it went to another smell. The first smell was alright. I don't really like the second. I don't think I had anything else on my hands. I had shadow. But I cannot wait to try it. I love toners. I kind of like to go with a toner that does something really good for my skin. Something like, I like the Glow Recipe, the watermelon for your pores. Because I get really bad pores right in here. And of course on my nose. Not really that bad over here. But right in here I have like pore problems. And then I don't know. Just something about this one that I absolutely love is the antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract. So I should like that one. I really do like this one. I am almost out. And then this is another one I like. And it has the PHA and the BHA. Pore tight toner. So I really like this for the pores. Okay, guys, we're already on our last product, and it is by Pretty Vulgar. I think this is a concealer. It is a undercover concealer, shade number 61. You are getting 2 milliliters in it. By looking at it, it is like, I don't know if you guys can't see that. It's right here. Is how much is in it from there to here. Yep. So all this don't have nothing in it from here up, and it's all the way down. Some people use a lot of concealer. Some people, can use a little bit and get away with it. I think some people overuse this here, and then they'll do like too white, and like say maybe they're like a little darker than me, and they'll get like a bare concealer, like almost a whitish, like the lightest shade. And I have noticed that it's like their under eye, and then they go all the way, like they make the triangle. I don't make the triangle when I do mine. I put a little bit up here. I do sometimes like drag a line down to help contour my nose. And then I also, I put a little bit here, and then I don't put none right in here, and then I bring it out here on my eyes, because I don't think you need that much stuff under your eyes. It's very easy to crease. And more product that is very thin layer of skin. Okay. There it is. So I'm hoping it is full coverage. And I believe it is. And I believe I only put a little bit on, like, it kind of looks like it's going to be kind of full coverage, buildable. But yeah, as you can see, I've got all kinds of freckles. And you're not seeing that many right here. See a little bit. The Real Her, I want to talk about that. Was it my Ipsy Plus I got it in? I think so. I got the Real Her foundation. I kind of thought that it was more like on the fuller coverage side, medium to full coverage, or at least medium coverage. I went to put it on, I want to say yesterday, and I have freckles, and which is all right. You know, our skin's always going to be different. I like a full coverage because I like, just like a full coverage, cover up all freckles and everything. And I don't know, when I put it on, I'd put one layer on, and I was thinking when I first done it, that was all I was going to need. It is way too light on me. But when I done it, it was, made my freckles look like dirt spots. I did not like it, absolutely hated it. I did go ahead and put a second coverage on, kind of toned it down a little bit, but it actually made me look like I had dirt spots all over my face. I did not like it at all. I don't know, I've never had a foundation to make my freckles look like that. Okay, so that is everything in the bag. Okay, I don't think we got anything that was full size. Yes, we did. Okay, so the green tea is a deluxe sample. If you're going to get the first full size version, the full size is 200 milliliters, which is $19.99, and this one was 30 milliliters, so you know, way off, like 170. Then the Pore Professional, I know that it is a sample size. The full size is 120, and it is $32. Then the lipstick is a deluxe size sample. The full size version is 0.12 ounces. Now I forget what this one was. This one is 1.07. No, this one is 0.07. Okay, but full size version is $18. The Pretty Vulgar is just retailed for $24, and you get 4 milliliters, which is 2 more milliliters than this. And last but not least was the first product I done, the Lower East Side. This is actually a full-size version, and it is retailed for $19. So, this right here covered your bag. I don't know. I'm going to be honest, for $19, there's no way that I am paying $19, which I really like these shades, and I will use these. But to me, it don't even have a little mirror. If it's full size, why not, for $19, put a little mirror, do something, come on. Make it worth the money. I wouldn't give it. I'd rather take $19 and maybe ColourPop or something, go somewhere else and buy a bigger palette and get more shades, some matte, something, you know, you can work with. Because shimmers, most of us ain't going to just do a shimmer alone. But that is it on this bag. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down in the description box below. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I guess that is it. And I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.